Before we write our first memo, we set two things up under memo settings: how memos are numbered, and which memos need approval before they go out. First, numbering. Every memo gets a unique reference automatically. Here we set the prefix and the next number, and a live preview shows the format, prefix, year, and a running number. You can also cap how large an attachment staff may add to a memo. Now the important part, approvals. For each type of memo you can choose an approval workflow. A memo that is an approval request should be signed off by management before it is circulated, so we attach our memo approval workflow to it. Information and instruction memos can go straight out with no approval, we leave those blank. Then we save. Settings saved. From now on, every approval request memo will be routed for sign-off automatically.